The city of Tromsø in Norway was hit by a terrible snowfall, which was accompanied by a blizzard. The wind blew away everything in its path. The wind speed reached 55 kilometers per hour. In a short time, about 60 centimeters of snow fell. In many areas, the depth of the snow cover even exceeds 1 meter. As a result of the snowfall, huge traffic jams were formed on the roads. There were many road accidents. Special services are having a hard time clearing snow. According to local residents, the windows, water doors and even the roofs of houses were covered with snow in places. Large waves were formed in the sea due to the wind, and shipping was temporarily suspended. No information about the victims has been reported. In 2021, natural disasters have become more frequent. We are seeing climate change in many countries around the world. It is not known how 2021 will end.